are going to love the 2017 GMC YUKON. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and YUKON's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec engine with active fuel management, flex fuel, YUKON is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, power liftgate, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.